Yeah, a stool. Check this Acura out, bruh. TLX. What? TLX. Feel me? SH all-wheel drive, bro. 2019. Not playing games. Not playing games, bro. Now we're gonna open the hood. You just have to pull this. Alright. Check that grill, bruh. Kinda like Infinity has the same thing. Benz had it too. Look at that. Ooh wee. Neat. This is the cap for the oil. Dipstick. It's still the same basics, alright? This is a 3.5 liter engine made by Honda. Okay. So we're just gonna do the regular oil change. Now I believe this engine takes 0W20. Now we go to the bottom of the car. We spot the oil drain plug. And we're gonna use a 17mm socket. And that's the oil filter right there. 67356. That's the part number for the oil filter. Like I said, 17mm socket to remove the oil drain plug. Yeah. Like I said, the same basics, the same design. I haven't seen like a change. Maybe the body, maybe the rims, maybe the grill, but other than that, it's still the same thing. You heard? Now we drain the oil all the way. We put the oil drain plug back and snug it. Don't forget to tighten it. Alright, tighten it good. You don't want the car to, you know what I'm saying, like to be dripping. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna lose the oil filter. Yeah, now just be careful though, cause this thing is full with oil. Get ready to get wet. Drain it all the way. Don't forget to clean the bottom. Don't forget to clean the where the oil filters sit. Now this is a brand new oil filter, 67356, and that was the code for the other brands. We clean where the oil filter sits. We lube the rubber of the oil filter. We put the oil filter back. Make sure it's tight. Tight it by hand, alright? Don't use any tools. You're gonna damage the oil filter. Look at that grill. Look at that grill, boy. 3D. This shit look like 3D. Now we're gonna put the oil. Know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's a 0W20. Alright, synthetic. You heard? Now if you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you right right here. It's right there at the line. Alright, just so you know, I do this every day, bro. I do it all the time, and I put 4.5 quarts, alright, of oil. Now we're gonna go to the, driver's side. We're gonna reset the oil light, and we're gonna control the dashboard. We could do it over there, but right now that's a stick shift, automatic. We're gonna control the dashboard with this knob. Alright, you see the eye of info. Okay, we want to scroll down or scroll up until you find vehicle settings. We click, push the button like that. It's gonna go in. You go to maintenance info, click. It's gonna ask you if you want to reset it, mark it, click OK, enter, like that. Mark it, click it OK. It says reset completed. And that's pretty much it. That's all you gotta do, bro. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you have any questions, just hit the comment box. Any questions, whatever you think, just comment, bro. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. See ya.